I think, Ben, as you've correctly said it, I think Kenyans are a very interesting lot. And given that IBC had a very simple task to just conduct the election, tally, verify, and declare the winner. But now we have issues. We have serious issues in a situation whereby you find that now there are allegations being thrown left, right, and center. That at the end of the day, we are not sure whether the numbers we got were actually the true numbers. You know, there are such allegations that the numbers which were the polling station, which Chebukati himself told us, the polling station results are final. We trusted him. He told us, go to the portal, get a simple calculator, and do the math. To some extent, the math became challenging. Kenyans said, now, anyway, we have paid you. Why don't you do the work and just tell us who is it, according to you, has won? Now, as we wait for Chebukati to declare who is it he has come up as the winner, a section of his commissioners ran off and say the process was very dark, opaque, and not transparent. So we distance ourselves from that result, causing another confusion. So, they say, there's a saying which says that if the alligator comes from down under the waters and tells you that the crocodile is sick, you can't verify. You will just have to go by that story because you can't go down to check how sick the crocodile is. So it means if the commissioners came out and told us this thing is very opaque, then there is something we need to debate about. And I'm happy. For me, I'm happy that we are at the Supreme Court so that we actually cross-examine these issues to the core, because they go to our core nationhood. Because election is everything in this country. Everything is at that stance. There are people now, up to now, who have not gone to work. A friend of mine was saying, I'm not going to work. He's still sick. He's working well, but he's saying, I'm sick. I'm not
and
comfortable.
The economy can testify that.
And actually, the economy is also suffering. So that goes to the core of who Kenyans are. So it's very important that Chebukati should have carried this exercise with the same spirit. To some extent, I feel he dropped the ball at some point to a level that we thought he was being transparent and very clear till we were told that he was very opaque. Now, this opaque nature is what we want the court to actually tell us. How opaque was this process? And how better can we do it next time so that we put down procedures and processes which should ensure that at the end of the day, we don't end up being in a crisis like as we are in right now.